Hi, this is a continuation with the outer edge triangle. So you all have 18 outer edge triangles that the point of the triangle will face in, and then you'll have corner triangles, 4 of those where the corner will face out, and they're a little bit smaller. So we're going to start with our larger outer edge triangle in this video, and to do that we're gonna just do a chain 4, and then we'll do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet in that 4th chain. Chain 2, and then 4 double crochet in that same space. Round 2, and we chain 3 and turn. It was 2 chain, now 3 and turn. And double crochet in the same space. And double crochet in the next 3 spaces. I haven't made this in a while and I'm following along my own pattern here. Let's see, it says 3 double crochet, chain 2 in the chain space. So that's 2 and 3 and chain 2 and 3 double crochet in that same space. I much prefer to make the junior size now. That's why. I can show you a couple of those and about the join when we're done with our triangles. And I'm gonna double crochet in the next 3 spaces here. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to do 2 double crochet, I think. Let me make sure. So I'll double crochet in the next 3, and then 2 double crochet in the top of that turning chain. I'm a little quirky. Sorry, that's in my patterns. Okay, chain 3 and turn. And half double crochet in, oh, I'm on the wrong page. So we're gonna half double crochet in the same space and double crochet in the next 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now we're going to do our corner with 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and then double crochet in the next 7. And then 2 double crochet in the top of that turning chain. Alright. And you should have your triangle looking nice at this point, but we need to finish this side edge. So we're gonna go and chain 3 and turn to that outer edge, and we're gonna oh no, this is still, like I said, I haven't made this in a while. Or does it? It does. Double crochet in the same, half double crochet in the same, So yes, I got ahead of myself. We're still doing our triangle. So we've chained 3 and turned. We're double crocheting in the same space and half double crochet in that same space and half double crochet in the next space and single crochet in the next 10 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we'll do our corner with 2 single crochet, chain 3 in that corner space. 2, so 1, 2, chain 3, and then 1, 2 in that same chain space. I think I caught a stitch, so I'm going to pull mine out. Yes, I went into the stitch instead of the chain space. So again, I did double, chain 3, double, half double in the same space, half double, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 double crochet. Now I'm doing 2 double crochet in my corner, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 double crochet. And then I assume I will double crochet in the next 7, no, next, what did I say, I did 10, and 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we'll do a half double crochet, and then we'll do the half double crochet, 2 double crochet in the top of that turning chain. So it's half double, yes, all in that same space, and then double. I'll make sure that's what the it does not say to do that third double. Okay, so we do not do that third double, that third stitch in there, and then it says to chain 3 and turn to the outer unworked edge and slip stitch into that same, that joining space of the, okay, so at the beginning, so we will join here, and turn, slip stitch, and fasten off. Okay, so this one does not have the worked edge. I totally told y'all wrong. That's on the small triangle, and like I said, I haven't made this in a while, and there is a junior pattern, and I think on it you work across there. So this one we're going to fasten off. And we'll start our small triangle. I'm just going to add that to this. So to do the small triangle, it's worked a little bit different. It begins the same though with a chain 4. This one we're going to put 4 chain 2 and 5 double crochet. Yes, it's a lot of stitches in one space, and I am going the wrong way here. Start over with a chain 4, see if I can get my yarn to work better with me. 3, 4, and so we do 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 1, 2, and then 5 in that same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we'll chain 3 and turn, and double crochet in the same space. and half double crochet in the next 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll do 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in that chain corner space, and half double crochet in 4, and we'll do 2 double crochet in the top of that turning chain. Or that, okay. And we have a more pointier triangle at this point, and we're going to do chain 3 and turn. I might have to find the right page. Nope. Yay, we have it. So we're gonna half double crochet in that same space. Double crochet and then half double crochet in that same space. Now single crochet, half double crochet in the next 7, no, half double crochet in the next, single crochet in the next 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then we'll 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet in the chain corner. So 1, 2, chain 3, and 1, 2, and then we'll single crochet in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we will single crochet in 7, half double crochet in the next, half double crochet, 2 double crochet in the top of that turning space. So this one we put 3, so we do half double crochet and then double crochet and then another double crochet, all in that same space. And then we turn, chain 3, and now we're going to turn and work this outer edge. As I mentioned before, it does go on this edge. So it says when you turn, you're going to do single crochet, 2 single crochet on each post, single crochet in the center, and then 6 more single crochet and 2 single crochet around the post. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 8 is 16. That's too many. I think I have too many stitches. I don't understand what I'm saying here. I said 2 around the post, single crochet in center around each post. So I think I just did too many. So I had 2, 4, 6. I don't understand. Maybe this other part of the pattern makes it clear. I'm so sorry. It made sense to me at one time. let's see, our triangle, small triangle, single crochet each space around next 3 double crochet posts. So 2, 4, 6, yes, it should be 6, and then 7, and then 2 it says 2 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, that's what it means to say. I don't know why it says what it says. I hope that makes sense to y'all, but it is 13 stitches across that unworked edge, single crochet, and this is an old copy. Hopefully y'all's copy is better than mine, and it's 13 across this side plus your chain, your little chain nowels on the ends, and then your points. And then these fit together with your square. And there's an orientation of the star, like I mentioned, when you're making your square, that this is the top. I like to mark those just when I'm putting them together. I don't get lost, because when you start to join those, it goes really fast. And we had just worked a corner, and that unworked edge that we worked is going to join up with this edge, and then we'll have our side triangles that will join up. And there is also a right and wrong side, and you can see there's this is the top side, and you want to be sure to have this, because if you have it upside down, it's completely different. So then this one fits, and it's like a little puzzle. It's so much fun. And then when we start to join, we'll do a zigzag. You can do different joins. Again, I haven't done this in a while. You can do a whip stitch, which goes really fast. You just go in and out. And as I was pointing out, the right and wrong side, if you do that, you'll just be going into these back loop only, and it gives you a really nice look. Or you could do a top slip stitch of those together, like a zigzag. And here I have several examples. I don't know if this darker blue is going to show up good on camera. Of this one has been whip stitched, and it's flat and it joins, and you know, it's nice, it works. But this one has been top slip stitch, top joined, and with a crochet hook. And I actually didn't like it at first, but people love this textured look, and it's easy to join. They're both easy either way. It's a preference thing. And once you have your star field, you can start working on your squares. I mean, your stripes. Sorry. I'm dyslexic. Always, and especially today. I hope you enjoyed this pattern by Doily Designs. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you.